Hi guys, uh, today I will tell you about the Panasonic microwave oven NN-SN9665 stainless steel countertop built in with inverter technology and genius sensor 2.2 cubic foot 1250 watt. It's a very nice uh, microwave. So let's show you the other pictures. uh, you can see very nice, very good. You can see many options also. I'll show you more pictures. Key features. What is the key features? Family size microwave, high power, shorter cook times, healthy, delicious results, genius sensor, cook and reheat, steak, flexible design, very beautiful in the look. So you can't you can heat up everything in this oven. You can hot milk in it, you can make tea in it, otherwise you can cooking also. And you can see very open from inner side. And this is the Panasonic, see, with a very good options also. So 16.5-inch turnable from inside. So 14 auto cook options you have. uh, Oatmeal, omelette, and soup, frozen. These items you can see, you can prepare it in it. So here is the panel, you can see. Yeah, okay. You can prepared vegetable also, many things. You can fit this one in your kitchen like this. So let's come to tell you about the it's more about this item. Panasonic microwave, this 1250 watt high power 2.2 cubic foot capacity stainless steel countertop built in microwave delivers a seamless stream of cooking power for even cooking and delicious flavor. Inverter technology with turbo defrost. Patented inverter technology generates a seamless stream of power and delivers consistent, evenly prepared food. Where is this prepared food without overcooking? Advanced inverter turbo defrost speeds up defrosting time. Large family size. This countertop microwave with the 16.5-inch turnable is thinner, lighter, and more efficient, allowing you to devote less space to electronics and more to inverter capacity, internal dimensions. You can you can you can read it, you can watch it also. I'll tell you about. So smart cooking setting with the Genius sensor built in, automatic. Genius sensor adjust power and times based on different foods. Other advantages include 14% menu items, quick minute timer, delay start, and child safety lock. Keep warm features. This inverter microwave keeps soups, gravies, or desserts warm and fresh until ready to serve. So you can buy this microwave. The price of this microwave is only $219.50. So I will give the link below in the description. So if you like and want to buy it, you can buy it. Thank you so much. Bye.